So this is the introductory video for the discovery learning activity we're going to be doing tomorrow in class. So just want to touch on rectangles and squares real quick. Our main focus is just going to be that their opposite lengths are going to be congruent. And then in squares, all the lengths are going to be congruent. So that's going to be pretty important when we discuss how to find the perimeter. So finding the perimeter of a rectangle, if we're given 12 inches, we need to make sure that both our sides are, or when we're choosing a side length, that it's less than half. Because if we were to do half of 12, that'd be 6 and 6. And if you notice, we were already out of our length, so then it'd have to be 0 and 0. And that doesn't make any sense. So it has to be less than half whenever we're choosing. So let's just choose 4, right? So 4 and 4, that equals 8. So we have 4 inches left. So we know both sides, or opposite sides, are going to be congruent. So 4 inches on the lengths and 2 inches on both sides for the width. That equals our total of 12. Next, we're going to be talking about area. So the area formula for a rectangle and squares is length times width. So pretty easy for this one. All we're going to be doing is 2 inches times 4 inches equals our 8 inches squared. And it doesn't really matter what order you want to do it in. If you want to do it 4 times 2, either way, still get the same area. So now when we do our charts for plotting points, we need to make sure we have our width, our length, and then our area. Make a little chart here. And when we're plotting these points, all we really care about is the width going across our x-axis, and then the area going across the y. So in the examples there, we had 4 as the width, 2 as the length. That gave us an area of 8. So if we're going to plot that real quick, go over 1, 2, 3, 4. And our area is 8, so we're just going to go up 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our point's going to be somewhere about here. Not perfect, but good enough. And then if we want to switch it up, we can do 4, or we can do 2 as the width. 2 times 4 also gives us 8. But notice this point's going to be a little different because all we're focusing on here is the width. Just these two categories. So now our width is 2 and our area is still 8. So this point is going to be right over here. And that's going to be important for recognizing the patterns and the different relationships once we get into the activity. So see you guys tomorrow.